My name is Shane George. I'm a golf course superintendent at the Link Shell Cove Golf Club, which is in New South Wales, Australia, on the south coast. Ventrac's not a gimmick. This machine does it. We've trialled it, we've put it through at all its paces. It's done it all so far. So originally we had some areas that had a gradient of plus 20. We've never been able to mow those. Sometimes we'll mow it with our whip snipper, but other than that we just could not get there. What we found with the Ventrac, with the Tough Deck, originally we could get through the mowing, and now we're able to have a manicured surface all times now. It's one of those machines that just seems to keep going, and it just has not stopped yet so far. And the members have definitely noticed a big difference. The areas that we can cut back now a lot further on the steeper terrains, and also having the attachments for a Ventrac too. So attachments we have the Contour deck, find really great around the steep surrounds and the grassy hollows we have on the site. And we have a Tough Deck, which is getting through our large, thick, high-Q rough. And we have our Corer, which has been great for the fairways and the surrounds and any sort of heavy wear areas. And we actually have the turf cutter as well, where if we've had to go and do some irrigation repairs or extensions, we're able to come through on turf cutter and do all ourselves. From a cost point of view, from a small golf course that we are, we can save by having one plant but multiple attachments, where other plant can't have that versatility of changing attachments. We can go in between attachments very quickly in a matter of minutes. This machine does it all. There's nothing it hasn't done so far for us, and there's multiple attachments that I still want to buy to improve our fleet. After heavy rain events, some areas just could not be cut for up to 3 to 4 weeks. With the Ventrac, we're able to go out and cut within the next sort of day or so and not leave any sort of damage at all on the site. The lighter footprint, we're able to get through wet areas no hesitation now. Where previous machines were actually bring out a lot of mud and dirt, so you live in the dark track marks. Now we're not leaving those marks at all now. But what I have found, it's a machine that staff actually want to go and use all the time now. Before it was always a hassle to get someone to go and do some cutting or mowing. It's not like that anymore. First time you use a machine, you don't think a machine can go up those sort of slopes or terrains that it's doing, but the machine can. It's just knowing what the machine can do and trust the machine and allowing it to do its work. Every golf course superintendent's under the pressure to save money, and this has done it for us in our plant and man hours as well. And this is where it's helped us, and it also improved our turf quality immensely as well. We wouldn't have gone this way if there was no improvement on turf, but it has. And now we're just looking at what ways we can utilise Ventrac more often and buy more attachments down the track.